1 in 5 children in India grow up without access to proper textbooks or notebooks. Without these, they cannot build the foundations for their futures. Further, for every 19 textbooks sold, only one fictional book is sold. We decided to change this.
We are Interact Indranagar.
First, we identified government schools in our district that needed our support. In our meetings, we discussed how we can approach the problem and decided to begin what would become one of our district's largest book drives. In our schools, we set up boxes for collecting textbooks, notebooks, fiction, and even paper that we planned to recycle. Through our efforts, in just a few weeks, we managed to collect 450 kilograms of books to donate, far exceeding the original goal that we had set for ourselves. We then began visiting the government schools that we had identified, and by interacting with the children there and conducting fun activities which helped us understand their reading levels, we were able to sort each book into various reading groups or categories for the kids. After discussion with teachers and the students themselves, we set up libraries at these government schools, and the impact that these had on the kids there was extremely profound.
Encyclopedia, dictionary, and the Islamic books will all be there.
ಹೆಸರು ಚರಣ್. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಂಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯವಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೈಲಿಂಗಮ್ಮ. ನಾನು 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು GK ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಹಿರಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಶಾಲೆ ಬೆನ್ನಿಗಾನಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಶಾಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದಿಂದ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. HM ಸರ್ ಹೊಸ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತಾಗಿ ಇಡಿಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿನಾನು ವಾರಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Next, we worked with another organization, the Iksha Foundation, to recycle the paper we had collected to create notebooks, which we visited 4 government schools to distribute. We also held bake sales and other fundraising events to raise funds for additional reading materials and stationery. At Interact Indranagar, the impact that we have seen all our projects just like this one have continues to inspire our commitment to long-lasting change.